85mm for street photography. How does it stack up? Alright guys, now I hope you're all good. Now in this video we're going to do a quick photography POV with the Lumix S5iiX and the 85mm f1.8 from Panasonic, just to see how well it performs as a street photography setup, and we're going to test out a few real-time LUTs along the way. Plus, it gives me an opportunity to test out my new POV setup that I am very pleased with, which is the DJI Action 5 Pro that you're probably all very familiar with, along with this amazing mount from Telesin. It's like a necklace, it just goes around your neck, hides underneath your t-shirt, it's got a little magnetic plate, and then the Action 5 just snaps to that. Honestly, it's brilliant, so inconspicuous, absolutely love it. Not sponsored. However, there's a couple of little faux pas. I might have messed up a little bit. Just a tiny bit, not a right lot, just a smidge. Basically, I didn't pay attention to how I was framing my shot when I set this all up. I thought I did, but in the end, in practice, you can't really see my screen very well. And that's mainly because I didn't pay attention to how I was shooting. I just shot like I was normally shooting, so I didn't pay attention to the fact I'm doing a POV. I just shot from the hip. I used the swivel screen instead of locking it into place on the back so you guys could actually have a chance at seeing what I'm doing. So half the time you can't really see the screen, so I apologise for that. However, it's still, in my opinion, an alright POV vlog. It's not bad, it's alright. I got some pretty damn good shots, I think. Not my best work, but good enough. So I hope you enjoy it anyway, with that little caveat out of the way. If you're still watching, that is. Right, let's go. Right, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Doing another photography POV with the Lumix S5iiX and the 85mm 1.8 from Panasonic. So I don't really have a plan today. Basically, I just wanted to test out the real-time LUT feature. So using the 85mm, I also keep it quite tight. So it does restrict you quite a lot in terms of focal length because you can't just zoom in. An 85 obviously is not the best street photography lens. So this is the Valley Gardens in Harrogate, which is in North Yorkshire. A lovely little spot. Let's get those two on the bench. Yeah, not too bad. So yeah, as I said, I'm shooting in real-time LUT. I'm using dark floral, just in case, but I've also got it set to RAW plus JPEG, so if I don't like the edits, I've got the RAWs to fall back on. So yeah, I would always recommend that you do that. Shooting both RAW and JPEG. So I might try out a few different LUTs, see what they look like. Right, so I've been really looking forward to making this video because testing out my new POV setup, which is the Osmo Action 5 Pro. But then I've also got this nice little attachment from Telesin, which basically just goes around my neck. It allows me to strap the camera around my neck without having to have this massive big like backpack strap on. So it's a little bit more inconspicuous, which I prefer. Need someone to come down that little path. Yes. So look. Nice. I'm really happy with that. That looks beautiful. Spring is on its way, guys. Spring is on its way.
I think
this is a nice little frame. Someone gonna go past? Yes. Decent. That's nice. Right, let's get these guys. Same couple again, I think. Let's wait till they just get past that bench. Yeah. This guy's too cool for school. He was too cool to miss out. Let's get the skateboarder. Look at the colours there. See if we can get him going past, come on. I picked him up that time. Bit better. Always takes a little bit of time to get into the swing of these things, and I've not done one for a while, so I'm not perfect. So yeah, we'll see how the real-time LUT performs. As I said, I'm using dark floral. If I change it, I'll let you know. But for now, I quite like it. I have my favourites. For video, I like using platinum and steel. It's a very nice LUT. All available from the Lumix lab for free. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Let's see if I can get this guy. I'll do. I really like the street, but it might be better. It's a little bit darker. But let's see if we can get someone walking past. Ah, here we go. Just entering the frame, about there. I'll do. Yeah, so as I said, I have absolutely no plan for this video. I'm just literally just walking around, just testing out the new setup. It's Sunday night, it's getting lively. No one got homes to go to. Work in the morning. Madness. Oh, quite a lot of people out taking photos of the blossoms today. Runners are always a good shout, but not fast enough. Honestly, well out of practice. Not the best, Sam. Not the best. Right, okay, I'm going to bide my time. There's two girls coming past in a minute. Oh, no. I mean, it's not too bad. But it's not what I wanted. Right, I think these guys are going to do it. Please. No. I always find myself shooting in portrait a lot more than I do anything else. Light is fading fast. That is a really cool alleyway, but I don't think I'm going to find anything down here. Let's have a look. What do we think? Right, do we think we'll get someone going past here? Should have gone to the toilet in the Valley Gardens. Oh, dying. Anybody going to walk past my scene? That's such a good choice, this. Come on, please. Come on. Oh, there's a guy up there, but he's not really walking where I want him to walk. With a dog as well. That'd be immense. I think I missed it. It's because I need the loo. Oh, it needs to be in that gap, walking past. Not bad. Oh, this could be it, guys. This could be it. This is it. Doggy, go past. Why is this so hard? Go on, go past. Please, dog. Yes. I think that's good. Got the dog, got a couple. That will do. That will do. Although the guy in the pink pants that just went past was even better, but anyway, I give up. That was hard work. What time is it? Oh god, it's 6 o'clock. I don't think I'm going to be done in time to get the baby to sleep. Damn it. Not the best shot. We're waiting for the red light for. My god. Cautious Sally. Just cross. Right. Yeah.
You take my camera and take me.
All right. Okay. Yeah. 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 Right. No problem.
I know that.
It's the problem when you walk around with a big camera. Everyone thinks you're a professional. Little do they know. I might go back to that spot that I wanted to get a photo from at the bottom of town. End it somewhere around there. And I do need to put the baby to sleep. Not like murder him, so like put him to bed. Right, can we get someone coming down this street? Bit late for church. Anyway, how does the camera perform in low light? I should have said dark. Is it better than the GoPro Hero 7? It should be. Should be loads better. Right, so I'm not entirely sure how today has gone. I think I've got some okay shots. Not the best shots, but... Well, I kind of lied and I haven't changed my real-time look. I've pretty much just stuck with that dark floral. So, yeah, sorry about that, guys. Right, I'm sorry, guys, I might have to go. If I walk down and see if anyone's walking. Yeah, okay, we'll try this. If in doubt, a different shot. Right, someone's covered. Right, got my shot. Perseverance, kids, perseverance. I do think I'm quite happy with what I've got though. Got some pretty good shots, considering I didn't have a plan. I just wanted to test out the real-time look. In fact, actually, let's test out some black and white really quickly before we go home. So this is the winter LUT. Hales bar looks so cool, man. If someone comes out of that bar, oh, if someone comes out there, that'd be so nice. Right, so for that last shot I turned the minimum shutter off because I wanted a bit of motion blur, and yeah, quite like the results. Although I'm not a massive fan of that black and white, not on the back of the screen anyway, so see what that looks like back in the studio. So I'll see you there. So what do we think? How well did the 85 perform as a street photography lens? Personally, I much prefer the 50. I think 50mm is much better for street photography. 85, in my opinion, was just a little bit too tight. And that's probably down to the fact that I'm not familiar with the focal length, so couldn't compose my shots as well as I could do with the 50. But just in general, I think I prefer the fact that we get more in view, and like, it's a much more sort of natural look is the 50mm, whereas 85, you know, it's a portrait lens. I don't really think it belongs in street photography. But that's each to their own. Everybody has their own preference. And I know that this wasn't my best POV. I made that abundantly clear at the beginning. But hopefully it was still an enjoyable watch and you liked some of the photographs. If you did, I'm going to be on Instagram. I'll post a couple on there if you want to go and say hello. It's the.creators.block if you want to go and check me out over there. Other than that, I actually really enjoyed using the real-time LUT feature. Like, it just made it a lot easier when it comes to editing because I don't need to do anything. However, I know that I did re-edit some of those images as well, and that's just because the LUTs don't always work in every scenario. So shooting in RAW and JPEG is definitely the way forward, because then at least you've got a JPEG fully edited if you want it, but you've also got the RAW to fall back on, and then you can edit it yourself and do whatever you want with. So I really enjoyed that feature, and I'm definitely going to continue to use it moving forward. Just allows you to experiment a little bit more, and then you can try out different LUTs for different scenarios and see how you get on. But my little neck brace from Telesin, oh, honestly, that's brilliant. So inconspicuous, because I get a little bit, not nervous, but I get a little bit, you know, I'm aware that people can see a giant GoPro on the front of my chest and that I stand out like a sore thumb, so it makes me a little bit like embarrassed, I guess. So having the fact that it's a little bit more inconspicuous, so I don't have to have this giant like back strap on, it's a lot easier. I can walk around feeling a little bit less like an idiot. So I hope that came across. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Really helps out the channel. Consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like that. Hit the bell. All those nice things that will put a smile on my face. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
I know, you heard a little something about me, right? People love to talk, everybody wanna doubt me, right? I know, bunch of fakes all around me, right? They clowning like, I ain't hear what it sounded like. I know, these fools hating on the low, smiling all in my face, stab me in the